this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved the above look. I've had these cornrows for a month now. It's time for them to come out. So I'm going to start by cutting off the ends so that it's easier for me to take out the cornrows. I'm also going to be using this rosewater mist to detangle the hair so that I don't have too much breaking of the hair. To ensure that my hair does not break too much, I like using this white tooth comb. I am now done with the cornrows. I'm gonna jump into the shower, wash my hair, and then deep condition it, and I'll be back. Hey guys! So I just washed and deep conditioned my hair. I'm waiting for it to sit for like 30 minutes as I get all the things that I need for the braiding. Then I'll start the braiding process. I'll see you in a bit. I got everything that I need. I'm going to be doing this crochet hair. Yes, girl. I got it from Kenya. It's color number 1. It looks beautiful. This is how it looks like. I have 2 packs of the hair. I don't know how much hair I'm going to be using. The last one. Yay! I did it! I did it! Let's see how the back looks. How does it look? Okay. Yeah, guys, this was hard, especially when I was doing my left side. It was so hard. But I'm done, I'm done, I'm done. I'm gonna take a water break and stretch a little bit, and then I'll be back with the crocheting. See ya! Guys, this looks so good. You realize I did not put any braiding product, like the Shine and Jam. This one, I did not use it. Yeah, I didn't use anything because this is going to be a weave and it's going to stay for a while, so I don't want any product buildup very soon. So I'm just going to use the black castor oil for hair growth, this one, in between the lines and then at the ends of my hair, and then I'm going to tuck it in. So guys, this is what we call a protective hairstyle. Ready, ready, ready we are. Ready, ready, ready we are. There we go. Okay, let's start the weaving process. The whole process took me 3 hours to finish because I'm right-handed, so my left hand side was so hard for me to braid. I also had to use just half a pack of the hair, so I have 1.5 packs remaining. So the hair is done. My camera went off at some point, so I had to do it off camera. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna have to trim the ends to make it even. So So guys, this is the end look. 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 This is the final look that I have achieved. It looks so natural. I love it. The front. The front looks so natural. It looks like my real hair. Yeah, the back. It's not so full. It's not so full. It actually looks like natural hair. So I love this look. It's so light. It's actually so light. Like, it's good for the season now. And if you're looking for a go-to hairstyle, I think this crochet works best. It's so light. It's natural. It looks natural. Just look at these. It's so awesome. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video up to the end. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for supporting a girl. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for staying with me. To my people who have not subscribed yet, please guys, subscribe to my channel. I got new content every Friday. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye for now.